Hello students. Today's topic is about, in the previous classes we learned about the basics of the engulfing pattern and also the advanced engulfing pattern. I also explained the marking to you all. So those who have received this video, like the paid ones, please share your screenshots on Telegram so that we can check if you are marking the engulfing pattern correctly or if there is any mistake. And this video will also reach you all. Those who haven't watched the engulfing video must watch it. There is a basic one and an advanced one. Today we will talk about fake structure and real structure. What is a fake structure and what is a real structure? First, like we did a basic class on engulfing, I will explain the basics of fake structure to you. I will explain what its base is, how we will consider it real or fake. So you have watched the previous video, and after that I will share this video in the group. So, okay. There is no class with students today, but I will make a video for you anyway, and our classes will continue one by one. So let's first understand what a fake structure is. What will a fake structure be? How will we approach it? Okay, first of all, let's start with an example from the top. Let's move from top to down. Okay, if the market is moving like this, then this is case number one. You have to remember this. Okay, there are 5 cases of engulfing, which I have explained to you from basic to advanced. And you also have to remember the cases in this. How many cases are there? Case number one is that the market is coming like this. Okay, it is coming like this. So what is this for us? This will be of no value to us. This is a fake structure. And similarly, if we take this, let's make the polish on the side. Okay, on this side we create the polish structure. If we make it when the market is moving like this, what will it be considered for us? This is the opposite. This is a sell case and this is a buy case. So what will it be for us? It will be a fake structure. We will not follow this structure. Okay, which structure we need to follow, I will tell you. Do you understand the fake one? Similarly, the market will be coming down on the downside. Okay, and after that we come back to the same thing. Okay, which structure do we need to take? For example, from here the market, when it creates this thing and comes down, this structure will be invalid for us. That is, it should have stopped the previous high and broken the lower low. If you take this on a line chart, it will be clearer to you. Okay, when you create this scenario on the line chart, it will be clear to you. That is, after the market has stopped its high, then it has broken its low, then this will be an invalid structure for us. Okay, not only this, in invalid there is another thing for us which you also need to keep in mind, that when the market is going up, let me change the color here. It's essential to understand this. When the market is going up from here, do this. Okay, when the market is going up, the real structure we need to create should be like this, that from the market create this high like this, then after cutting this high, at least the market should break 2 structures. Okay, the market should break 2 structures, then that structure will be our valid structure. Okay, if you see here, first we have this, and the second structure came here. If the market breaks like this, then this whole zone will be valid for us. We will trade on the engulfing here, and we need to take the trade from within this zone and this zone. When we discuss the entry, it will be for us. Some people might call it a QM, but you need to take the trade from within these two zones. Okay, this is the real structure. Meaning, which real structure will it be? It has 1 TBS high. After stopping and centering, it should have broken at least 1 or 2 structures. This one here is 2 and this is a word. If the market does this here and then reverses from here, then it holds no value for us. It will become a fake structure. Again, at least 2 structures should be broken. One should break this low and another should break this low. If the structure continues like this and the market has gone up, it means the buy trend will continue. We will not take it selling here. We won't increase our selling here until it goes up like this and breaks the two structures here. This one will become past and this one will become past. Then it will become a strong zone for us. We will sell from here. I'm just explaining the basics now. When we move forward to its advanced level, you will get everything with examples on the line chart. But for now, you need to understand what real and fake are. All right, when it becomes like this in the market, you need to be active. You need to keep your eyes on the first and second so that when it happens, you can enter the market. All right, and after this, let's move on. I'll give you some more examples. Right. After this only, an example, the market is falling down. Yes, the market is falling down here. I'll change your color here. It's a buy example. So when the market comes, it should break this leg, break the previous low here. And then when the market comes back, it should break both of these for us. We will make an entry here, engulfing both from here. All right, our entry will be made here. First, it should have taken the previous low, and second, it should have broken here. If you see, this is it, and second, this is it. You should not take this side one. It will become fake. Here, which one should you not take? For example, the market came here, it broke this low, but the market went like this here. Meaning you make this first and this second, then it is fake. It will become fake until this becomes first and this becomes second until it breaks it. It won't be ours until it breaks. When it breaks, then we should take this low, not the one that will be made. What will it become? It will become what they call something that they have given it different names, but for us, what will it become? It will become, all right, whenever it falls, it will fall below it, and from here, it will become bullish. All right, you should not consider this structure valid until it breaks the one coming from this side, even if it makes 4 to 5 legs. You must remember this. All right, and I'll give one or two more examples of how you should take this structure. All right, if we have, right, I'll change its color now and explain with engulfing. Here, this engulfing has formed. We have this case number of engulfing. All right, we have this engulfing formed. So what do we need to find in engulfing? In this engulfing, we need to find whether the market that was going down like this, and the market was going up, did it break its second structure after doing this or not? All right, this will become first and this will become second. You need to see this part of the engulfing, whether it broke the second structure or not. If you see here, it went up, first time happened, then this is the second time. So when the second time is formed, it will become a liquidity pool for us. And from the center of this zone and this zone, we will find it selling, which will be based on this engulfing. We will trade based on this engulfing. All right, let's discuss the next part of engulfing in the same way. The next part of engulfing, if we take it in the buy case, all right. There's a sell candle placed, and after that, if you see, there's a buy candle. You need to look at it body wise, not wick wise. The body of this candle should be bigger than this candle, right? Then this whole zone will be ours. But how do you verify it? To verify, we need to align the structure with it, that the market trend coming down from above was here, the trend coming down, right? And the trend that broke in this engulfing broke the first, right, and broke the second, meaning this will become the first and this will become the second. You don't have to make it second. That would be wrong, and this will be the liquidity pool. As soon as the market falls into its engulfing zone, we will buy it, right? This will be too ambilight, and after that, we will further look at it. And which engulfing was this? One more, and you should watch this video again from this point if you don't understand it well. There will be one-on-one classes where you will get to know everything in detail. After that, what was it? Yes, this was an engulfing, and this was the engulfing because the previous candle swept the low of this candle, right? We have an engulfing pattern here, right? It's the same here where the market sell trend was coming from here. So in this buy engulfing, we need to see the same thing, that the market comes, makes a low and breaks its first and second structure here, right? The rule will be the same for this engulfing too, right? After that, there's another engulfing pattern and I'll explain its rule to you, that one, and how to verify it, right? This was an engulfing, right? A sell candle was placed and the next candle was bigger than it, meaning this sell candle is bigger. So we'll mark this candle, right? And we'll start verifying our structure, that the market's structure was going up from below and the selling came from here. So we need to see the selling, that it stops out the previous high here, and after stopping out the previous high, break the first and second structure and whatever is placed in it. Like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. What will it be for us? It will become a liquidity pool until it breaks its second structure. Here we will have the first and here the second. You don't have to make it first, second, third, and here what will it be for us? It will become a liquidity pool, a liquidity pool, a liquidity pool, a liquidity pool, and here whatever sells will come to the market and we will sell it from this zone and bring it down, which we will make the base of. We made this engulfing the base and we aligned this structure with it. So this was our example of this engulfing, right? So the same thing on the buy side, I'm explaining the basics to you. If you don't understand the basics, it won't take you time to pick it up in the advanced one, right? Like now a candle has formed in the market, but we don't have a pattern yet. The pattern will form when this engulfing is made, right? We have this pattern formed just like the market is going bullish. So when the market reverses, meaning it comes into a sell trend, when the market comes into such a sell trend, then what do we need to read here? What is it that the market was coming down from above? Did it break the previous low, the first and second, or not? So when the market is reversing, this will become a liquidity pool for us. From the center of this low and this low, we will plan it at this point, right? This is what we have to do for buying. So color wise, we don't care about the candle. We only need its engulfing, right? I have told you about both real and fake structures. So you need to study it well. When the advanced part comes, watch it. Then you have to make live charts and share them with me on Telegram, just like we share it in every resolution. You all have to share it with me. So whoever has any error, we'll fix it later in the one-on-one classes when everyone will have an idea about it, right? So see you then.